Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to discuss about constants in Golang. In Go, constants are immutable values that are set at compile time and do not change during execution of the program. Constants are declared like variables but with const keyword. Here I have mentioned three types of const declaration. First we have const declaration with type, then we have const declaration without type. If we want to declare multiple constants at the same time, we can use this factored block. Constant can be a character, string, boolean or numeric value in Golang. But we can't use short variable declaration syntax, colon equal to declare a constant. Here are some examples for constant declaration and how to use them. First, we have constant without type. Then we have declare a constant with type string. Then in the second example, we can see a factored block to declare multiple constant at the same time. Enumerated constants using iota. Iota is a special keyword used to create sequential constant. As we can see in this example, we can create multiple constants using factored block. Then if we initialize the first constant using iota, the following constants will get sequential numbers. As we can see here, Sunday we initialize with iota, then Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will get sequential number in order.